Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make yourself look like a doll on CapCut's. So you have to update your app for this to show up, but there's basically a few new styles you can try. In this video I'm just going to show you like the 3 new styles that are on CapCut, sorry. So select your picture. It only works for images. Select it, go to style, and here as you can see there is a doll like style. You're just going to select it. Oops, sorry. Okay, you have to log in first. I just logged out, so I'm just going to quickly log in. Okay, so I have like a free use of like 2 uses left to use this sort of style, so just keep that in mind. Just going to wait for it to generate a little bit. Okay, that took like ages for it to generate, but here we are. This is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!